So, what did we learn today? That there are a ton of freebies around town to celebrate Teacher Appreciation Week. And if you love pizza, check out Oregon Stop Pizza in Mesa. Teachers, you're going to get a voucher just like this May 1st through May 5th, which means you're going to get a free pizza, any size, any topping, and it's dine-in only. Ooh, look at all that yummy candy, but of course you have to have popcorn when you go to the movies, right? Well, good news, Harkins is going to give teachers a free medium-sized popcorn all week long for Teacher Appreciation Week. And ABC 15, we're super excited about this. We're surprising teachers all across the valley with free breakfast. We're talking free coffee and free donuts. If you missed any of these details, we'll put it online for you, abc15.com/smartshopper. And Danielle, you really said it. They don't hear thank you enough. So that's why we are so excited. I'm going to be out all across the valley, different schools, surprising teachers with some freebies.
Fantastic.
Donuts and coffee. Can't go wrong there.
Good stuff.